wounds I couldn't hide. Every love I ever trusted left me broken deep inside. I was searching for a reason to believe in love again, but the night it felt so empty, like the truth was just pretend. Then I saw you by the shoreline, where the ocean kissed the sand, and something in your silence made me understand. Girl, I never knew healing could come so soft and slow, but tonight I feel it changing. I'm learning how to let go. Moonlit Island Romance, hold me close tonight. Underneath the stars above us, everything feels right. Moonlit Island Romance, you're my calm, my flow. In your arms I find my freedom, and I finally let go. Moonlit Island Romance, don't let this feeling go. Love is speaking in the silence, soft and low. Oh, soft and low. Yeah. I've been broken, I've been wounded. Trust was hard for me to give, but you showed me something different, how a real love can live. No pressure, no conditions, just your heart and honest truth. And you heal the deepest places I didn't know I'd lose. Now I walk along the water with your hand inside of mine. Every step feels like redemption, every moment feels divine. And I never thought I'd find this, a love that feels so real. Moonlit Island Romance, hold me close tonight. Underneath the stars above us, everything feels right. Moonlit Island Romance, you're my calm, my flow. In your arms I find my freedom, and I finally let go. Moonlit Island Romance, don't let this feeling go. Love is speaking in the silence, soft and low. I'm letting go of all my pain, all the weight I used to carry. Every tear I cried before is fading in your memory. You don't try to change my story, you just love me as I am. And with you I'm finally learning how to love again. How to love again. Now the moonlight feels like healing, falling softly on my skin. Every broken part is mending, love is rising from within. No more running from my sorrow, no more shadows in my way. In your love I found tomorrow, a brighter brand new day. And I never thought I'd say this, but love has set me free. Moonlit Island Romance, hold me close tonight. Underneath the stars above us, everything feels let it go. Yeah, moonlight on the ocean. I'm finally free. Let go. Slow island night, moonlight vibes, just you and me. Hold me, don't let go. Girl, the night is getting deeper and the world is falling still. I can feel your body closer, like you know just how I feel. Every touch becomes a message that my heart can understand. No more running from emotions, just take my hand. I've been lonely for a long time, searching for real love, but nothing ever felt like this, sent from above. Now I see it in your eyes, girl. No more fear, no disguise, only truth between us rising under island skies. And I don't want the night to end, don't let the feeling go. Girl, your love is all I needed, more than you know. Hold me in the moonlight, don't let me go. Let this island feeling move nice and slow. Hold me in the moonlight, closer to your heart. Baby, from this moment we'll never part. Hold me in the moonlight, stay here with me. This love feels like forever, so naturally. I remember broken nights when I couldn't sleep. All my thoughts were heavy, burdens too deep. But you came like gentle ocean, washing pain away, and you turned my darkest moments into day. Now I walk with you beside me, feeling brand new light. Every step becomes a blessing, every moment feels right. You don't need to say a word now, I already know that your love is what I've waited so long for. Girl, your love is like a healing, soft and slow and true. And I never knew this feeling until I found you. Hold me in the moonlight, don't let me go. Let this island feeling move nice and slow. Hold me in the moonlight, you are my peace. Every moment with you, girl, Girl, when I first saw you smiling, something changed inside of me. Like the ocean met the sunrise, so naturally. I was lost in my own world, no direction, no real peace. But your love became the answer, setting me free. Every moment that I hold you feels like destiny, like the universe was guiding you to me. Now I know what love is really, when it's pure and true. And everything I've ever wanted is you. And I don't need perfection, I don't need disguise. All I need is your love, girl, in my life. One heart, one love, that's what we are. Shining together like a guiding star. One heart, one love, forever true. Everything I am, girl, belongs to you. One heart, one love, don't let it fade. This is the strongest feeling that I've ever made. I remember all my heartbreaks before you came. Every promise, every story was just the same. But you healed my broken pieces without a sound, and you turned my whole life upward from the ground. Now I walk a little taller, feeling brand new, because I finally discovered real love in you. Every kiss becomes a blessing, every touch a flame, and nothing in this world feels the same. Girl, I never knew forever could feel so real. Now I understand exactly how true love feels. One heart, one love, that's what we are. No distance can break us, no matter how far. One heart, one love, you're my soul. With you I feel complete, girl, I feel whole. One heart, one love, don't let it go. This love is the deepest we'll ever know. If the world turns against us, I'll still stand by you, because everything I feel now is honest and true. No fear, no confusion, only you in my heart. And nothing in this lifetime will tear us apart. Ooh. One love, stay with me. Island love, ooh, baby. sun is going down. Island breeze, I remember this moment. Girl, I met you by the shoreline, where the ocean meets the sky. And I never knew a moment could feel so alive. You were standing in the sunset, like a vision in the light. And my heart just started changing that very night. We didn't need too many words, girl, just a look and we knew something deeper than the ocean was pulling me to you. And the sun kept slowly falling, like it knew our love was real. And in that quiet moment, I learned how to feel. And I promised in that silence, under skies so wide, I would never let you go, girl, you're my guide. Caribbean sunset promise, I belong to you, like the sky belongs to the ocean, always true. Caribbean sunset promise, never fade away. This love is written in the evening, oh, every day. Caribbean sunset promise, hold me tight tonight, under golden skies forever. Everything feels right. We walked along the water, barefoot in the sand, and I gently held your fingers in my hand. Every word was like a blessing from the heavens above, and I knew I had discovered real love. Girl, you never had to change me, you just saw my soul, and you turned my broken pieces into whole. Now every time I think of you, I feel that same sun, like our story has only just begun. And I still hear that promise in the evening breeze, telling me you're always here when I need. Caribbean sunset promise, I'm yours tonight. Every shadow disappears in your light. Caribbean sunset promise, never let it go. You're the only love I've ever truly known. Caribbean sunset promise, stay with me, like the waves kiss the shore. like every broken part of me is finally secure. I was searching for a feeling I could never explain. Then you came and washed away all my pain. Now every morning feels like sunrise when I wake with you, and everything around me feels brand new. You are the calm inside my chaos, the light inside my dark. And girl, you lit a fire inside my heart. And I never knew forever could feel so real until you showed me love that I can feel. You are my paradise, my sweetest dream. Everything I've ever wanted is what you mean. You are my paradise, don't let it go. You're the only love my heart will ever know. You are my paradise, stay with me tonight under island skies, girl. Everything feels right. I remember lonely evenings thinking love was gone, but you came and gave me reason to carry on. Every touch becomes a blessing, every kiss a song. And with you I feel I finally belong. Girl, you never have to fix me, you just love me true. And that's why I keep believing in you. Now the world don't feel so heavy when you're by my side. You're my peace, my joy, my pride. And I promise you forever, no matter what we go through, I will always stay right here with you. You are my paradise, my shining light. You make every wrong thing turn out right. You are my paradise, don't walk away. I need you in my life, girl, every day. You are my paradise, forever true. Everything I am belongs to you. If the world falls down around us, I won't be afraid, because this love we have together will never fade. Through the fire and the struggle, I will stay strong, because girl, with you beside me, I belong. Paradise love, stay with me, don't go. Ooh, baby, you are my paradise, forever mine. You're the reason every moment feels divine. You are my paradise, don't let it end. You're my love or my future, my best friend. You are my paradise, always stay. This love will live forever, every day. Paradise, you and me, forever. Listen to the wind, it's telling me your name. Whispers in the breeze, night is calm and still, like the ocean speaks your memory against my will. Every wind that passes through me carries you back to my heart, like we never were divided from the start. I was trying to forget you, but the breeze won't let me be. Every whisper brings you closer back to me. Now I'm standing by the shoreline, feeling lost inside the air, and I swear I feel you near me everywhere. And I don't know how to stop this. You live inside my soul. Every wind keeps bringing back what I can't control. Whispers in the breeze, calling out your name. Every memory of you, girl, still feels the same. Whispers in the breeze, soft and low. You're the love I never let go. Whispers in the breeze, don't fade away. I still feel you in my heart every day. I remember all our laughter by the ocean lights, how we danced beneath the moon on island nights. Now those moments feel like echoes drifting through my mind, and I'm searching for the pieces left behind. Every wave that hits the shoreline sounds like your goodbye, but my heart still keeps on hoping you'll reply. Girl, I know we lost connection somewhere in the past, but this love I feel inside me still holds fast. And I never stop believing you were meant for me. Even time cannot erase what we used to be. Calling out your name. Every moment without you, girl, feels the same. Whispers in the breeze, soft and slow. You're the only love I'll ever know. Whispers in the breeze, stay with me. Don't let this feeling drift out to sea. If the wind could bring you back, girl, I would never let you go. I would hold you even tighter than you know. Through the silence and the distance, I still believe that love like ours forever never leaves. Whispers in the breeze, come back, stay here. Oh baby, whispers in the breeze, I still hear you call. Even when the night is quiet, you're my all. Whispers in the breeze, don't let it end. You're my lover, my memory, my best friend. Whispers in the breeze, forever stay. I'll be loving you in silence every day. Whispers in the breeze, you and me forever.